Hello YouTubes, this is just a very quick update on the compressor situation. I've now connected an air pipe from the compressor to the tank. So let's see how it handles itself under pressure. Under pressure. Now I've not yet wired the power to the pressure switch. It's going straight to the motor for now because I'm going to have to take all this off of this plate, remount that over there, get new belts, etc, etc. But I do have a hard wire, well, when I say hard wire, it's a big chunky wire, a permanent wire running from this area all along the back, down here, up there, on off switch, and a big 220 plug, which I'll stick in now. And that can live there. But I wanted a permanent on-off switch that was easily accessible for when I was finished in the garage, walk inside, switch that off. So I'm not going to take it up to full pressure just now, maybe take it up to 20 psi. Because I'm still not comfortable taking that up too high until I've completely cleaned that off, taken all the surface rust, make sure there's no cracks. But for now, let us switch it on and see if there's any leaks, basically. Helps if I switch, if I close that valve, might get some pressure now. I still can't get over how quiet this thing is. It might sound quite loud to you guys, but relatively speaking, it's pretty quiet. Right, I'll be back when it's at 20 psi and then we'll switch it off and listen for leaks, okay? That should do it. Right, let us check. So we've got a join there, no hissing. I was just checking for temperature, it seems okay. Right, no hissing there, 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 there. There's fine. Comes down there, goes into the rubber pipe here. Fine. All the way around here. I know this is really long, but it'll do for now. I might get a shortened version that will go from there to that section there somehow, but as I say, for now it's fine. No hissing there. This is my main outlet. Fine there. And a little drain plug at the bottom, it's not making any noise either. So far so good. Now I got a really interesting comment from Randy Haunts60. Hello. He reminded me that if I install the air filter and oil lubricator regulator combo, I'm not going to be able to paint anything because obviously I'm going to get oil into my paint. So I have ordered that combo kit, which will be here on Friday, but what I'm thinking is I'm going to get a T junction, if you like, and one side will have that regulator and I'll buy another regulator just with an air filter for painting. and then I'm not contaminating any paint. So thanks, Randy. I never thought of that. So I need to get some belts. I need to get some rubber stuff for mounting the tank to the floor, some bolts, and obviously I need to somehow relocate this whole thing on top of the tank. But that's it for now. So far so good, everything going to plan. And I have decided on paint, but I'm not going to tell you what I'm going to do. The first thing I'll do is sand it all down and put some primer on it just to protect what I have restored. And then I'll do the whole paint thing in another video. It should be quite interesting. I think you'll like it. A bit of fun. Right, take care everyone. Thanks again for all your help. Much appreciated. And I'm going to have air. I'm going to be pushing gas. No, pushing air very soon. Take care everyone. Bye for now.